Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to cook bacon and chicken hearty vegetable soup. To make the broth, we have here in front of us 1 bacon hock, about a kilo of chicken frame. We're going to use 1 to 2 teaspoons of black peppercorn and the 2 medium-sized carrot, about 2 medium-sized onion cut in quarters, small bunch of parsley. So we're going to cook this for 1.5 to 2 hours until the meat is really tender and soft and the chicken frame meat is coming off the bones, and so it will take about 1.5 to 2 hours. So while that is cooking, we're going to prepare the vegetables. So for the vegetables, we have here 3 carrots, 1 whole suede. We're going to use 1 cup of barley, about a quarter whole pumpkin, and about 250 grams of sweet corn, frozen sweet corn, about 5 potatoes and 2 onions. You can add any other vegetables you like, even celery, tomatoes, whatever you have in your freezer. And then we're going to season with 2 teaspoons of chicken stock powder and salt and pepper to taste. So let's get started. So the soup, make sure you about 8 liters of water in a 16-liter pot, and once it's boiling, we're going to add in the chicken frame. Bacon hot. Okay, just put it in, and all the vegetables, the onion, carrot and the parsley, and about 2 teaspoons of black peppercorn. So we're just going to leave it there and let it boil for about 1.5 to 2 hours, but make sure you keep an eye on it and stir every half an hour. Okay, so now the soup half cooked. See, all the meat is falling out of pieces, so we're just gonna sieve the soup now. Sieve it out, and we're going to take some of the meat out of the bacon hearts, and we're going to put in the vegetables. So now the soup has been sieved. We've sieved the soup, so we're going to add in all the vegetables. Here the pumpkin, I'm gonna add in the pumpkin. So the vegetable, the food processor is really good. I use a food processor to chop it all up, because if you don't have it, you cut it all up manually. So we have the pumpkin here, and then we have the suede. Put in the suede. Lots of vegetables, very nutritious soup. The sweet, and then we have the carrot, the root vegetable, I'm going to put in the onion. Potato, all in, put everything in, and the corn as well, and the barley. Put everything in. Yeah, really nice. We have to add in more water. All the vegetables in, and we're just going to add in a bit more water, about 1 liter. So we're just going to let this boil, and make sure you keep an eye on the soup and just stir it every 20 minutes. So now the soup is all, vegetable is all softened, see, all cooked. We're going to add in the meat that's been shredded, the bacon, meat, and some of the chicken. Just gonna season the soup now. Add in the chicken stock. 2 teaspoons of that, and about a teaspoon of salt, and some pepper. Let the soup boil again, and then it'll be ready to serve. Just go and taste and see whether we need to add more salt. It's just nice as it is now, very sweet and tasty. So just let it boil, and then the soup will be ready. So now the soup is all boiled. So vegetable all soft. We put in the meat and season, so now it's ready to serve. So here is our bacon and vegetable soup. We can serve it with the fresh pumpkin broth from my previous video. Make sure you check it out. It will be really nice and hearty soup. And hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe,